everybody, I want to show you how to participate in the upcoming IFO, that's initial farm offering. So first of all, I'm going to take you to the process. So just like I said here, I showed you here, you need to get Cake and BNB into your trust wallet. So you buy Cake, you buy BNB from Binance, for example, and then you send it to your trust wallet. So after you've bought Cake and BNB, so when you add liquidity with Cake and BNB, you'll be able to get the upcoming yield watch. Yield watch is a token that is you'll get by what we'll call new initial farming offering. So when you participate in this Pancake IFO, you'll get watch. So you're going to make it's guaranteed that you're going to make tons of profit from this. So the sale is going to start today in maybe less than about an hour plus from the time of making this video, and we earned in 1 hour, just 1 hour interval. So during that sale, one watch will be sold at $0.10, and this amount of cake will be burnt. So based on Nigerian time, we have like less than an hour for this thing for it to happen. So let's look at what to do. So after you deposit your cake and your BNB, you now go. Let me take you to Trust Wallet, and then in Trust Wallet, this assuming that you have BNB and Cake in this place right now. So you just go to this place. You go to PancakeSwap. You just go under PancakeSwap. Under PancakeSwap, so you come to liquidity. You go to add liquidity. Now you're adding liquidity BNB and Cake. So adding BNB and Cake. So you add equal amount, whatever quantity in, like, let's just say for example now I'm doing this thing. So I need, if I put 0.067 BNB, I need equivalent 1.26 Cake to be able to add this liquidity. So as soon as I do it, take me to add liquidity, and I'll add the liquidity. Of course, it will cost a little fee. So after I've done that, like as you can see now, you need, like, if you're doing $500 worth of BNB, you need equivalent $500 Cake in your wallet. And you go charge a little fee. Of course, you know that BNB fees are very, very, very little. So after you clicked the BNB liquidity, you see supply, and if you put equivalent, you will see supply. When you supply the liquidity, you get Cake BNB LP. Cake BNB LP. It will appear in your Trust Wallet balance. So after doing that, this is now how to participate in the IFO. So you've gotten the liquidity pool tokens now. After you added the liquidity, you will see it in your Trust Wallet balance. So next to do is when the sale is live. When the sale is live now, like as soon as the time for the sale goes live, as soon as the time goes live, you will see. Let me open this website now. This is the website for the IFO. So when the sale goes live, I'm changing it to Binance Smartchain. You see that it's remaining this is where you. So now I've connected my wallet. So it's remaining 52 minutes for the sale to start. So as soon as it starts, you'll see a place for you to commit the liquidity pool, that LP token that you got. So while the sale is live, you commit your cake LP tokens to buy the IFO tokens. So that quantity that you got by staking your cake and your BNB, the LP tokens that you got, you will now place it. So the sale will happen within an hour. So after the hour is over, you'll be able to claim the tokens you purchased along with the any unspent funds. If you have the money that you put inside now, maybe you didn't use it up, you'll be able to claim the tokens. Then you now have the watch tokens. You'll be able to claim it, and any of your funds that you put in that is remaining, and then you now wait for listing of this watch token and for you to make profit from it. So it's very simple. You just simply deposit cake and BNB to your trust wallet. You go to PancakeSwap.finance and you add liquidity, cake and BNB liquidity equivalent in dollar, equivalent BNB in cake in dollars, and then you now wait for that time. As soon as the time comes, you just send in your own LP token that you received, and after 1 hour you'll be able to claim the watch and the remaining funds that you have. So when the sale is complete, claim your IFO tokens that you bought, and your unspent funds will also be sent back to you. So that's that. It's very, 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 very simple. So let's do this.